Tax season kicked off today, and it was business as usual at tax bureaus despite the national holiday. Changes to this year's online filing procedures allow people to use their national health insurance cards for identification. The Finance Ministry is predicting that some 60% of taxpayers will now file online.
Today's public holiday didn't affect workers at the tax bureau, as long lines formed on the first day of May when taxes could be filed. Many took the opportunity to visit the tax office on their day off. Aside from turning in tax filings in person at the counter, an online tax submission system is also in place. Beginning this year, the system accepts both national health insurance cards along with citizen digital certificates and other financial certificates as personal identification. The Finance Ministry predicts these new measures will allow online tax filings to hit a new high.
My estimate is that online filings could easily represent at least 60% of all filings. The number of individual tax filings across Taiwan could exceed 6 million this year. So if more than 60% of those are done online, that would equal 3.6 million online tax filings.
Policymakers have lifted the standard deduction for couples filing a joint return from 158,000 to 180,000 NT. And for those filing individually, the standard deduction has risen from 79,000 to 90,000 NT. Taxpayers with questions can receive advice by visiting the tax office in person, as well as making online inquiries.